Here's XPENG app, so you can just tap to install it. So if you own XPENG card, that's an app you just need to have. Book services to fit around your schedule. Get ready for future of mobile and car community. So you can learn about some their models, configure your favorite XPENG model, and place an order directly from the app. You can also use to control certain in-car function and book additional services for your XPENG from the app. So, this is Chinese electric car, one of the most popular ones. And then, yeah, you can see some of the models. Then you can add your car in here, and then you have also events available, and then you have your account. So that's basically the idea.